Ready, set, go.
Hi, my name is Cal, and what do you do if you wake up and finding bees on your rose bush or somewhere else? Don't call the police, don't call the firemen, because they'll just don't know what to do.
What do?
You call the nature center or call a beekeeper and they'll just take care of it.
What about killing bees?
And killing bees are really, really, really bad.
So you never kill bees.
Never kill bees. They also pollinate flowers, but they'll sting you if you mess with them.
So, but they won't.
The sting will also hurt real bad. So you have to be nice to bees, and the bees will leave you alone.
Good idea.